Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Google Translate on iPhone keyboard. So we're gonna start right away. First, you have to make sure that you have the Gboard application on your phone. Then open the Gboard and finish on the setting up on the app. After that, you choose the Get Started button. It will automatically turn into the settings. Now on the screen, choose the keyboard option. Then turn on the Gboard and allow full access. After that, turn on some chats or turn on the notes so you can open the keyboard. As you can see on your keyboard, you have to tap and hold on the global icon. Then choose the Gboard button. Then you tap on the Got It. After that, you can see on your keyboard there are a list of options. Now choose the Google Translate option. Now you can use it normally like you use on the application. Thank you for watching. Please hit like and subscribe.